right, little night cruise. I think, I don't know, I'm feeling kind of ballsy. Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna hit the roads for a little bit, and then I think I might actually roll through the college. Give it a little rev. Pretty sure she's warmed up at this point, but whatever. Choke on and we gone. Alright, I know that on the way here I said that I was gonna cruise, and but I think now I'm actually gonna cruise. I don't know, you know? Might be because I actually have the right music playing now. You know, I don't have like that fucking crazy fucking music that makes you drive like 40 times fucking harder. It's crazy that they still got fucking snowplows out here. Like, I don't know for what snow. I don't know what snow you pushing, bro, but there ain't none here. Not gonna lie, ever since I did the valve chain on this bike, I mean, it's been weird. I feel like at times it's got more power, and then at times it's fucking low. Like that right there was sort of a good example. Like in first and second gear, it feels like it isn't pulling, but the speed is up there. So I'm not exactly sure. I'm not exactly sure if playing with the valves can fuck with the torque, but I don't know. I mean, the speed is still there. Like, it says I'm going 30, but I don't know. It feels, I mean, I want to believe that it's 30. I want to believe that it's 30, but then it's like, I don't know, dude. That feels kind of slow, you know? All right, so I think what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna take this right here. I'm gonna take this onto the campus, and I'm just gonna ride the rest of the way. Yeah, that sounds like a good plan. I'm gonna slow down here. We're gonna take this shit right here. Now we're just cruising. I think I'm gonna stay in first gear though. It's like, oh no, are those cones? I don't give a fuck. Oh, look at that. And we got some people. What's good, nigga? I got some people in the front. You got white written all over. I could have took that. Oh, shit, let's go, man. What the fuck? The power of the bookstore is out. Fucking idiot, I get clothesline. I got it blocked off, so I mean, I guess that's good. I do not like that. I'm saying, like, it feels like it's got the power. Ah, they are fucking working. Hey, it's got the power at the end of first gear. Like it's not in the middle like how it used to. Almost missed my fucking turn. I would have went right down the fucking stairs. Goddamn. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And just to be a little fucking asshole, I'm gonna fucking take this too. Yeah. My mom told me to get a fucking car. I'm so glad I got a bike, bro. Like, I know that I wouldn't say that I'm like the best rider. I mean, there's still some very, very small like occasions where I'm like, oh shit. But honestly, for like the amount of time that I've been riding, I would say I learned pretty fucking quickly. And I don't know if that has to do with me, you know, like crashing 2 fucking times. And I don't know if it has to do with that, where it's sort of like, you know, like that break. I don't know. I'm that type of person where if I get hurt, you know, I know typically when some people get hurt, they look at it like in a bad way, like, oh man, dude, I don't know if I want to do that again. But sometimes you got to look at it and be like, all right, so now I know like what not to do. For example, like the really bad crash that I had that like put my bike out of fucking commission. I was being a fucking dumbass and I decided to hit a curve that I never hit going the speed that I hit it, and I hit a little fucking divot and it fucked me up. I wasn't prepared for it, and that sort of gave me a little teaching moment, which is like, I know this is kind of like common sense, but it gave me a sort of a teaching moment where if you don't know the road you're on, you know, don't go too fast. And I feel like that's something that I've not learned, but that's sort of a lesson that I've like used majorly, because there's been times where I've gone to like family events or something and I've had to like follow a car, and we'll take a road that like I'm not used to, and because that I was going slow, it fucking saved me. There was probably like maybe 2 times where I was doing like maybe 40, 50, which for me is controllable. I feel like for the most part I can control anything that's at 40 to 50, and I hit like these 2 big ass dudes. Dead ass almost knocked me over. If I wasn't like locked like this, if I wasn't like gently locked, I probably would have fucking crashed, because I think if I was like this, like fucking maxed the fuck out, I would have whipped you out more, and my elbow would have fucking dipped, you know? I know you shouldn't have your fucking hand like this. I know you shouldn't have your hand like this anyways, but when you're gassing it, you're fucking gassing it, you know? I think I'm done narrating for now. I think I'm just gonna let the rest of the video just play out with me just cruising. I know that it's kind of like really hard to hear me because I don't have a mic. I don't know if this is something that starts to go like really well, like maybe I'll get a mic, but I don't know. Just for right now, I mean, I guess this is fine. I have the GoPro on my chest and it's like right underneath my helmet, so it puts up some of my voice, but I do have to yell. but I mean, it's better than nothing. I'd rather sort of do this for a little bit, give it a try, and if I enjoy it a lot, I might end up getting a mic. It's just that it's like, it would be like $100 fucking investment, you know? It would be good for me because, I don't know, me personally, I kind of enjoy making these, which is kind of the whole purpose. It's like, you know, like, hey, you know, fuck what other people think, you know, if you enjoy doing it, you enjoy doing it. But I don't know, you know, if it's something I'm just doing for myself, I mean, I don't really give a fuck about the quality. That's kind of bad to say. I don't care about the mic quality because it's not that big of a deal for me. This is really just to like see like damn dude, look at the city, you know? But I don't know, if people start to enjoy it, maybe I'll buy a mic. I know I'll probably I know for sure I'll be uploading them to Facebook, not Facebook, what am I, fucking old as shit. I'll probably be uploading them to Instagram and YouTube. If TikTok allows sort of like a larger thing, I would do it on TikTok, but TikTok doesn't exactly like allow videos over a minute, which kind of makes sense. I mean, it's not a platform. That this shit was still fucking attached. I'm over here, I'm feeling something hit my leg. I'm like, dude, what the fuck is that? God damn, dude. I just learned something the other day, and that's that apparently traffic light cameras actually trigger on fucking yellow, which I never knew that. But take another left, hit a little road bump, you know what I'm saying? See, now it's got power. Why are you braking so fucking early? What was that guy doing? That's what I want to know. Why did he think it was a good idea just to fucking stop there? Some people just don't know how to drive, man. I swear. Yeah, I'm like 90% sure I'm fucking running this light. Ready? One last pull. Holy shit! It definitely has a lot more power because I think that was a rolling like 10 and I just jumped it to fucking 50. It's definitely gonna look a lot slower through the GoPro because it's got that fucking stabilization shit, but I fucking gassed it. So I think in conclusion, you know, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna start doing these a lot more, but I'm not exactly sure how often. But I know for sure, at least at the minimum, I'll probably do like a couple a month, like maybe 6 at the minimum. But I don't know, you know, hopefully people enjoy this, and if they do, I mean, obviously, I'll keep doing it. But until tomorrow or until the next one,